What's up guys, welcome back to Snyder V7. Today I want to show you a video on how to add customization on your Tesla Model 3, Y, S, or X. It's these puddle lights that make it go from this to this finished product right here. As you can see, it's very much more customizable and it adds a lot of personality to your vehicle. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to install it, how to remove the old ones. This is a super simple process. You can get them in different logos, different colors. It's all, to try and customize your Model 3 or any Tesla for that matter. Should be super simple. The only thing you need is a pocket screwdriver or something to get behind that little puddle light, the little glass thing, which I will be showing how to do that. But yeah, let's get started. So these lights are located underneath the front door. You see this front door. This is the same for all models. Most models have it down here. It'll be right there. As you can see, this one's already installed. Just as you can see the little center. This is the original one, and this is a custom. This is the aftermarket one. So what we're gonna do is let's show you how to pop it out on the back. On the rear door, ignore that. Some air fresheners. The rear door, you have it here. As you can see, this one's lit up and this one's the stock one. This one's the stock one. This is the back door, right? So what you're gonna do is hold this. You wanna come here, just pop it out this way. Once you pop it out this way, you'll see a wire. This wire is pretty easy to take out. All you gotta do is pinch it and pull. So yeah, after you pinch and pull it and pull out the puddle light, you will notice and you will hear that the window will roll up. This is because the window system is connected to that puddle light. So when that puddle light is disconnected and you try to close it, you will see that your window will hit your upper brightwork. That will cause damage to your window. So you want to make sure that the one they gave you is fully functional and that you always have one that is working on all doors. And then the installation, you grab the custom one. This one's the original one, but theoretically we should have a custom one. Doesn't really matter how you connect it, but you just plug it back in, right? You'll hear the window. Go back down. And come here, and you just pop it back in. Good way to test this through the window. So make sure it's going down nice and easy, rolling back up. That's it for today, guys. Like I said, it's super simple, super quick, and super nice. But I do want to give you guys a warning. These are important for the window mechanism on 3s and Ys. I don't know too much about Palladiums, S's or X's. I know older S's and X's are fine, but these are wired into the wiring harness and are important for the door. So whenever these lights are on, the vehicle thinks that the door is open. But whenever this light is disconnected or off, the vehicle thinks that the door is closed. So you have an issue because these are seamless doors. So, you disconnect it, the light turns off, thinks the door is closed, and you try to go to open it, and it damages your upper brightwork or you just crack the glass. So you do want to be very careful. Don't cheap yourself out on these. They aren't expensive, but you don't want to get like super cheap ones. I've had mine since 2020. I haven't had any issues with it. Been going strong for about 2 years. But yeah, super easy. Just be cautious with that. And this could also happen with regular puddle lights. So if you ever have this issue, just swap it. If it's the driver door, swap it with the rear door, especially if you don't have kids and stuff. But yeah, these puddle lights are pretty dangerous if they go out. Just be very careful, be very mindful. But overall, I think it's worth it. But yeah, please subscribe, like, comment. I will be answering all the comments. And I'm working hard to give you guys more content. Please subscribe. I will be bringing more electric vehicle content because that's what I love, to be honest, and that's my passion. But yeah, I will be bringing more modifications to the 3, Cybertruck, Rivian, all these content. So please subscribe, like, comment, message me, tell me what you guys want to see, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much, and see you guys later.